In the first place, I would like to compliment and commend each one of you on your impeccable bearing and turnout, steadiness on parade, and high standard of drill and marshalling that you have just displayed. My compliments. I would like to wish each one of you good luck and Godspeed in all your endeavors and a very successful and happy career in the Indian Army. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, the booking may commence.
Repeat after me. I hereby solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will, as in duty bound, honestly and faithfully serve in the regular army of the Union of India and go wherever ordered by land, sea or air, and that I will observe and obey all commands of the President of the Union of India and the command of any officer set over me, even to the peril of my life.
Now, Lieutenant Mahadev Singh Rathore, the Corps Senior, will deliver a Thanksgiving speech.
मैं एसएससी 110 और एसएससीडब्ल्यू 24 कोर्सेज की तरफ से एकेडमी के सभी इंस्ट्रक्शनल स्टाफ का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं। हमें इस बात का एहसास है कि अगर हम आज भारतीय सेना में अधिकारी बनने के काबिल हुए हैं तो उसमें आपका अभूतपूर्व योगदान है। हम आपको यकीन दिलाते हैं कि हम आपके द्वारा दिखाए गए रास्ते पर चलने की भरपूर कोशिश करेंगे, आपके विश्वास पर खरे उतरेंगे और सदैव आपके शुक्रगुजार रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
लाल किले के द्वार के लहराए जा लहराए, कदम कदम बढ़ाए। दिशा बदल के बाद दाहिने बाद आगे बढ़।
As parents, we are very proud of you to see you in this uniform along with the stars on the shoulder. You are carrying forward our family legacy, like Nana, he was an army officer.
I am short of words right now. I really wish that you guys were here, but sometimes some things will, it happens. All we can do is just go with it, stay happy. Even though you guys are far away, we are connected with this. I'm happy that at least this happened. It's all because of you guys that I am here today. Thank you. My first salute for you guys.
डियर कणिका, लव यू। तुम हमारी आन हो, शान हो, प्राण। आर्मी ट्रेनिंग सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट करने पर अनेकों शुभकामनाएं, बधाई। पीओपी के दिन एक छोटा सा संदेश है। तुम अब हमारी ही नहीं, संपूर्ण भारत देश की बेटी हो। तुम जैसे देश को समर्पित बेटे बेटियों को मेरा सत सत अभिनंदन। देश की सीमाओं की सुरक्षा में तुम्हारा सर्वोत्तम योगदान होगा, यही शुभकामनाएं। अपनी जवाबदारियों एवं कर्तव्यों के पालन में ईश्वर तुम्हें अदम्य साहस एवं बल प्रदान करे। दो पंक्तियों के साथ समाप्त करता हूँ। राष्ट्र ध्वज तिरंगा प्यारा, इसमें वीरों की शान है। मेरी मातृभूमि पर मुझे क्षण क्षण अभिमान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
Thank you, Papa, Mummy, and my little baby Agastya for that sweet message. Papa, आपने जो भी बोला वो मैं ध्यान रखूंगी, and my co-mates as well. And Babu, Agastya, Jai Hind. Thank you so much.
Hi Adi, so proud of you. Wish we could be there.
And you know that Papa is also very happy and proud, and he's so excited to welcome you home as an officer. We're all very proud of you.
Do well.
And thank you so much, guys. I've missed you a lot, but I have my family here. I have my family here, and you know the rest. Party is on.
Heartiest congratulations on successful completion of training, getting commission and being part of the finest organization of the country. You have made us proud and it is indeed a great moment for all of us. You must be happy today for you have reached where you wanted to be. Always remember the Chetwood motto and serve with honor and pride. We wish you a very bright future and great times ahead. God bless you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Papa. I love you so much. I miss you and I'm here because of you. And my first salute will be to you.
Hi, Bhaiya.
Feeling very happy, beta, and
missing you too, but very much proud of you that you are going to serve the nation. It's a very proud moment for me.
Yes, Bhaiya, we are very proud of you.
We are the very first one from our family to be serving in the Indian Army, and I hope one of us will be the second.
We are missing you, beta, but still celebrating by preparing butter chicken, which is your favorite, and we are enjoying it. Whenever you come, we'll again celebrate by preparing butter chicken. Soon, beta.
We are eagerly waiting for you. Miss you, Bhaiya.
Hello. I feel bad that they are not here, but as it is, as my ACA said that certain things have to be done, so I'm going on the same lines. I miss you guys, and I hope if you would have been here, it would have been much better, but still we'll make our way through things like we've been after we lost Dad. So we've been going through things formally and going together, getting through it all together, and I hope we'll do it always the same. Thank you so much.
So proud of you, my Tindimod. Wish you all success.
Best wishes and good luck. Proud of you, my brave daughter. God bless you.
Veja, you are my superhero. Congrats.
Congratulations. All the best.
Thank you, Mummy, Daddy, and my little brother. I hope I make you proud, and I know how much you have struggled to make me where I am today. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Hi, Bhai. I miss you so much, and you did it. I'm so proud of you for doing it. I wish I could be there and pat you on the back and clap for you and tell you that I love you, Bhai, and I'm so proud of you. You did it, Bhai. Love you. See you soon.
Oh, thank you very much. I hope अभी party बची हुई है and pizza is remaining and your mosi is pending. So मिलते हैं. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sonu. We are proud to see you in uniform. Serve the nation with pride. Jai Hind.
Love you, Unnati. All the best. Jai Hind.
Love you, Unnati. This is just the beginning and there's more to come. All the best and congratulations. Jai Hind.
Love you, Unnati. All the best.
Thank you so much. Means a lot that you sent a video.
OTA कैडेट शुभांगी सिंह के पेरेंट्स हम बहुत गौरव का अनुभव कर रहे हैं कि हमारी बेटी शुभांगी सिंह एक कमीशन्ड ऑफिसर के रूप में भारतीय सेना का अभिन्न अंग बनने जा रही है। हम जानते हैं कि वो भारतीय सेना को और पूरे देश को अपनी सेवाएं दे पाएगी, पूरे मन से कार्य कर पाएगी। उसके अंदर इमेंस पोटेंशियल है, इमेंस टैलेंट है। शी कैन डू एनीथिंग एंड शी विल सक्सीड इन एनी ऑब्जेक्टिव, अवेलमेंट ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्टिव। उस पर हमें गर्व है, गर्व रहेगा। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Mom, Dad, and my brother. I'm happy that you are proud of me, and I'll keep it up. I love you guys.
Oh, you look marvelous, son. In this crisp uniform, with a smart haircut, you look like a true Fauji. And a dream for any army officer's aspiration. You're a cynosure for us. You have made us proud. And I'm sure you'll make your unit, that is 58th Engineer Regiment, and the country, yes, I can see a transition of you from a civilian kiddo into a sharp, smart, and an alert young man. Now you look more confident, clearer, and focused. You also possess an air of conviction and assurance about you.
First of all, I would love to see my son after such a long time and hug him, who is looking so handsome in this uniform. I would expect you to be more confident, more strong, and to be more patriotic towards the nation. You always make us so proud. I'm so happy to see you. Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mohammed. It's really good to see you. And your words have motivated me. I'll live up to your expectations. Thank you.